Hello students, today we will learn Mathematics chapter number 1, where to look from. Students, be ready with your pencil in your hand. Open the textbook, page number 9. Today's topic is mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Children, we have learned that we get mirror halves by dividing the object into two similar parts, and to divide the object by imaginary line either vertically or horizontally. We can divide or horizontally, right? We can divide the object into two similar mirror halves. You can see that in video screen. First, three pictures of triangle. In that, first and second can be divided the triangle into two equal halves, while in third picture the triangle horizontal line cannot divide the triangle into two equal parts. So I have written no over there. Children, you have to write answer yes or no as your answer. Fourth, square cannot be divided into two equal parts. Fifth, triangle also divide into equal parts, so yes. Tree picture cannot divide horizontally into two equal parts. Letter B, horizontally divide into two equal parts. Letter T, vertical line can be divide the image into two equal parts. Third row, if you can see that, diamond shape horizontally cannot divide into two equal parts, so no for diamond. Next, glass picture also horizontally cannot divide, so no is the answer. Shape of heart, vertical line can be divided into two equal parts. And letter M, vertical line can be divided into two equal parts, so yes for these two images, heart and letter M. In fourth row, again triangle can be divided into two equal parts, so yes. And next image can also divide into two equal parts, so the answer is yes. Shape of kite cannot divide horizontally into two equal parts, so answer is no. But if kite can divide vertically, then we will get the mirror halves. Next, rectangle can be divided into two mirror halves, so answer is yes. You can see that the next give some more examples. I have drawn here some 4 examples. You can draw it in your textbook, and if you want to draw some another pictures other than this, then also you can draw it in your textbook, but has to be the mirror halves. So this way we have completed page number 9. Thank you, children.